Thinking about selling used cars in Arkansas? Before you buy inventory, post listings, or flip your first vehicle, there's one thing you absolutely need: an Arkansas Motor Vehicle Dealer License. And if you skip a step, the Arkansas State Police can suspend your license immediately. In this video, I'm breaking down every step the right way so you can get licensed, stay compliant, and sell legally in Arkansas. We'll cover who needs a license, the $25,000 dealer bond, required insurance, application rules, renewal requirements, and common mistakes that get dealers shut down. And yes, all the resources we mention are linked in the bio. In Arkansas, if you plan to sell used motor vehicles for profit, you need a license. Applies to independent used car dealers, dealership owners, and vehicle salespeople selling under a dealer license. This license is regulated by the Arkansas State Police under Act 490 of 1993, not your local DMV. Here's your high-level checklist: completed application, background check, physical business address, working phone number, a surety bond, and garage liability insurance. You must also notify the state police of any changes to your business address, ownership, or contact info within 7 days. Pro tip: your AR/DLR number must appear on all advertisements. This step is non-negotiable. The bond is the Arkansas Motor Vehicle Dealer Surety Bond, set at $25,000, and the obligee is the Arkansas State Police. This bond guarantees you follow state law. It protects consumers, not you. If a claim is paid, you must reimburse the surety company in full. So the goal is simple: avoid claims by following the rules and documenting every deal. If you don't follow your obligations, a claim can be made. If it's legitimate, the penal sum helps compensate the affected party, then the surety seeks full reimbursement from you. Now, before you panic, you're not paying $25,000. You're paying a small annual premium based on your credit score. If your credit is above 750, you'll likely pay between 0.5% and 1% of the bond amount. Credit between 600 and 649, expect roughly 2.5% to 4%. Years licensed and industry experience can help your rate too. This is where All American Bonds and Insurance comes in. The Arkansas Dealer Bond Specialists. You can apply for an Arkansas Dealer Bond quote on their website at quickerbonds.com. Get quoted, get issued, keep your bond active. Simple. Remember, the bond protects the public. You're responsible if a claim is paid. Next up, the rule that gets dealers shut down: make compliance a habit. It's cheaper than a suspension. Because in Arkansas, oversight is real and immediate. You're not paying $25,000. You're paying a small annual premium based on your credit. Here are the typical bans most first-time dealers fall into. All American Bonds and Insurance are the Arkansas Dealer Bond Specialists. Apply online for fast quotes and low down payments. In Arkansas, your bond and insurance must stay active at all times. Rule 2.7 is clear: no bond or insurance equals automatic license suspension. If they lapse, your license is summarily suspended until coverage is reinstated. You cannot operate until everything is reinstated and verified by the Arkansas State Police. In addition to your bond, Arkansas requires dealer insurance, specifically garage liability or a similar policy. It should cover bodily injury, property damage, and loss or damage to vehicles on your lot or in your care. Typical minimums include $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident, and $25,000 property damage. Higher limits may be smart depending on your risk. Insurance must match your business name and address exactly. Pair your bond with the right policy to stay open and protected. The Arkansas Department of Public Safety verifies compliance before granting or renewing licenses. Provide a certificate of insurance or policy declarations page as proof. Keep a copy on site at all times. All American Bonds and Insurance helps you meet dealer board and lender requirements at competitive rates. Set reminders to renew both your bond and insurance before expiration. Once reinstated and verified by the state police, you're back in business. Recap: you pay a premium, keep coverage active, keep names matching, and keep proof handy. Up next, maintenance, penalties, special licensing, and fee waivers. Staying organized is the edge most new dealers miss. Treat compliance like inventory, track it, audit it, and never guess. Need help? Specialists can save you time and money. Let's lock in what to do after you're licensed. Annual renewal ahead. Automate your reminders. Next, renewals and what not to do. Arkansas dealer licenses must be renewed annually. If you fail to renew on time, you must submit a sworn affidavit affirming no rule violations. If your license is suspended, you may not operate until it is officially reinstated. Violations can be costly and career-ending. Fines up to $1,000 per violation. Criminal charges, license suspension or revocation. Common reasons for denial: fraud on your application, incompetence or untrustworthiness, and violating Act 490. If denied or suspended, you get written notice and can appeal within 14 days. A designated hearing officer conducts the hearing and issues a written decision. You may qualify for faster or alternative licensing if you're licensed in another state, applying for a temporary 6-month license, or are military, a veteran, or a qualifying spouse. Submit all required documents, note your status, and include applicable fees. Some applicants qualify for fee waivers. You may be eligible if you received unemployment in the last 12 months, received SNAP, WIC, Medicaid, TANF, or Lifeline, or if your income is under 200% of federal poverty guidelines. If you're applying for an Arkansas dealer license, don't guess. Get your Arkansas dealer bond and garage liability insurance from All American Bonds and Insurance. All links to the resources we mentioned are in the bio. Like, subscribe, and follow for more dealer license tips, and I'll see you in the next one.